How many ounces in a cup? Do you need to quickly determine how many ounces are in a cup? To convert tablespoons to cups, go here. Do you understand the distinction between dry and liquid ounces? Here is the most comprehensive fast reference and measurement chart for handling recipes that are written in both metric and imperial units. Working with multiple measurements might be complicated because there are so many different recipes available. Sadly, not every measurement is made equal. Although the language and equipment for dry and liquid ingredients are identical, there is a different formulation for each. Dry measures are based on weight, whereas liquid measurements take the volume of the liquid into account. Although there are many internet calculators available that can give you one or two answers, they aren't detailed or simple to use. Here, you can easily translate all of your favorite recipes from ounces to cups in both metric and imperial units. How many fluid ounces are in a cup? 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces, 16 tablespoons. 3/4 cup equals 6 fluid ounces, 12 tablespoons. 1/2 cup equals 4 fluid ounces, 8 tablespoons. 1/4 cup equals 2 fluid ounces, 4 tablespoons. 1 cup equals 4.5 dry weight ounces. It's for dry ingredients such as flour. How many dry ounces are in a cup? 1 cup of fresh parsley equals 1 ounce. 1 cup of flour equals 4 1/4 ounces. Air-popped popcorn equals 3 ounces. Chocolate chips equals 6 ounces. For liquid fluid, 1/8 teaspoon equals 0.5 milliliters. 1/4 teaspoon equals 1.2 milliliters. 1/2 teaspoon equals 2.5 milliliters. 3/4 teaspoon equals 3.7 milliliters. 1 teaspoon equals 1/3 tablespoon equals 5 milliliters. 1 tablespoon equals 1/2 fluid ounce equals 3 teaspoons equals 15 milliliters, 15 cc. 2 tablespoons equals 1 fluid ounce equals 1/8 cup. 6 teaspoons equals 30 milliliters, 30 cc. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.